Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is we need to prove about this one is equal to this one. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will select about on the left side. We have the formula in here. Tan t equals to sin t over cosine t. Cotan t equals to cosine t over sin t. So we need to change tan t into this one. Cotan t we change by this one. Next, we need to separate them into two fractions in here. The first one and the second one. Now, for the first one, sin t and sin t, we simplify. Cosine t we multiply by cosine t, and we have 1 over cosine t square. Similar for this one, cosine t, we simplify. Sin t and sin t, we multiply, and we have 1 over sin t square. Next, we have the formula in here. Secant of t equals to 1 over cosine t, and cosecant of t equals to 1 over sin t. So this one we need to change, and we have secant of t square minus cosecant of t square. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.